Hi. This is, yeah, it looks like a NICU.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What do most of these guys, why are they here?
Various reasons. Found on the ground. These are our miracle babies. These are the miracles that were found alive and found by people who cared enough to pick them up
And bring them over to you.
Yeah.
This guy's dehydrated.
This is a little bratty that was brought in about 10 days ago. Actually, it was a friend of mine that was, she's in the Benign organization, and she was leading a group in through a new national reserve. And she heard something fall to the ground and they thought it was a bird. And they went to investigate it. It was this little tiny baby with the placenta still attached. If it's a she, she'll be Sheila E. because she drums. When I feed her, she drums with her hand. And or Sandy Nelson. We don't know the platypus sex until they get to be about 8 months old. Actually, this is turning into a male. We didn't know Briggsy what he was going to be, and now he's starting to get his male.
He's becoming a boy? Oh, good for him. He's becoming a boy? He's becoming a man? Oh, that's good.
He'll be graduating down into the juvenile section.
Oh, hi. Yeah, that's the camera.
He's busy. So this is...
Oh, he's grabbing my... He's
careful because they can bite.
Hi, how are you?
With his group from the ship. Cared enough to pick them up
And bring them over to you.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, hey little guy.
No. Tal vez vamos a dar un metro por comida.
That is a slippery.
You see these two here? The one that's on top of the bigger one's head, that's Gijo, and the other one is Chrissy.
Oh my gosh, that is so adorable.
Chrissy, the big one, is 2 months older than Gijo. They're both about 1 year old. But Gijo
Okay, I won't get close.
has what we call failure to thrive. He eats and eats and eats really well. No problem. He's going to make it, but has to work at it.
Yeah, you can really tell how actually kind of curious and rambunctious they are.
Yes. Yeah.
Guy's really the only one that likes to roam.
Jude, his name is Jude.
Hey dude. My best friend's baby's now. His name's Jude. I'm like, no, you can't. They can. It's kind of like koalas in that way. Like they look cute, but they can swipe and they can bite. We got another ham for the camera. Oh wow, yeah, you are very curious. What is this? What is this camera? Oh my goodness.
So this is...
Can you adopt a sloth for a year or whatever?
Yes, absolutely. And it's on our website. How to do it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already for more travel videos on Thursday. Bye!